Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you this ETH trade that I'm sitting in, but more importantly, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin, two possible areas I'm looking to long Bitcoin on. This trend line is really important for me here, but we're going to go over that. I'm going to go over my primary count, the primary trade I'm looking to put in to take this back up to 100K, guys. But we are sitting short on Ethereum right now. Everything's all good. We're going to look at Ethereum long term as well here, so stick with me. Before we get started, I posted this video here, Bitcoin flashing signs of a local top. It says 1 day ago, but it was Saturday, 1 day 20 hours ago. It was Saturday earlier in the day, this past weekend. In that video, I gave you this overall count. I was short Bitcoin from all the way up here at 99K, and took heavy profits on the way down, right? Yesterday, it was brought to my attention in my Discord that other channels are literally copying the exact count that I'm putting, but putting their own twist on it with their own analysis, and then posting, a day later or after my video comes out consistently. So I'm not saying don't subscribe to these other channels, but what I am saying is you better be subscribed to this channel if you want the move before it actually happens. Subscribe to this channel. And if you want to have some fun with this, you can leave a comment down below on what channels you think are copying the analysis, the channel names. I might throw a heart on the comment that gets it right. I'm not going to just say the name or throw it out right now, but leave a comment down below on who you think it might be. Maybe our analysis is very similar, but it's just funny. It's never the other way around. My videos are never similar to his analysis. It's always their videos are similar to my analysis a day after I post, right? So call it a coincidence, but it ain't a coincidence at that point. So be careful who you follow, guys, and just make sure you subscribe to this channel. That's all I got to say. Let's get into this. So for Ethereum, I'm sitting in the short trade. We already hit TP1 right here. I did post this in the premium Discord. Boom. Right here was when the trade went out. Said ETH scalp fired, extremely tight stop loss. Really should be looking for longs here on BTC, but I cannot resist, and resist I did not. We fired away. Already took TP1. Looking to take this down quite. We'll go over this when we go over Ethereum. Let's hit Bitcoin real quick, right? So Bitcoin, what I am looking at for Bitcoin's trajectory before we go up to 100K. I'm going to start by saying, number one, from this video 2 days ago that I posted, it came down perfectly to our parallel channel that I had drawn here. I don't know if anyone else had this parallel channel drawn. I really don't watch other YouTube channels. I don't. But I had this drawn as we were coming up to this mark. As you guys know, I longed this up to here. And we were looking for a flat to play out. Did not get that. It kept pushing. This was the alternate count, and this one ended up playing out. You got to be able to evolve to this market, guys. That's why it's important to be in the Discord. I can't post videos nonstop, every hour of the day for you, but I do keep Discord updated with the evolving counts as they continue to evolve and the trades that I'm putting in. So let's go smaller time frame on this. In this specific count, it would be an ending diagonal. Or an ending diagonal variation where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 looking to finish off an impulsive wave, looking to basically bounce off this trend line. Now, I'm getting quite worried about this count. As you can see, I'm literally not long. I'm still sitting in shorts. And that is for a reason, which we're going to go over the next count here, which is what I will be playing. And guys, if you see people switch up their counts to this next count, suspect as hell, right? Other YouTube channels. So just be careful. I'm going to be the first one bringing this count to you. I can guarantee you that. I want to bring these moves to you before they actually happen, not after they happen, right? That's the whole goal here. So looking at Bitcoin, I still like this count. I don't hate it. I hate taking a little jab here. There's just a good amount of liquidity under this trend line. There's a good amount of liquidity down here. I'm getting suspect. And what I'm thinking is, when we do eclipse 100K, guys, just to give you the overall view, that will be a finished wave right here for me. I'm going to be looking for some type of a correction to the downside. A substantial correction, if not, sideways chop for the correction before any type of continuation to the upside. That's what I'm going to be looking for, but that's in the future. I'm not worried about that. What I do is leverage trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, you know, on the hourly, even the 4 hour. You know, we're not worried about these moves way out in the future, right? If you guys do want to, before I go into my primary Bitcoin account and Ethereum, if you guys want to learn how I trade, there's a free Discord pin in the first comment down below. And in the learn section of the free Discord, I put my Elliott wave trading course in here for free for you guys. Take the course. It is free. If you want to learn Elliott wave, this is how I trade. This is how I come up with these projections. It is not by luck. It is not by mistake. It is by Elliott wave. All right. So get an overview of how I trade and learn Elliott wave right here within the free Discord that is pinned in the first comment down below. Let's go to the next count. The next count, and this is what I will be playing, guys. This is what I will be playing. I'm telling you right now. The way this all kind of, you know, when the dust settled here on this chop over the weekend, is kind of looking like this is what's going to happen. And we're going to go smaller time frame on this as well. Smaller time frame on this as well. So, as you know, when I longed this here, I was looking to come down for a flat and then continuation, right? We didn't get that. We kept kind of pushing up. But that is not, you know, a flat can still play out here, guys. This is what I have drawn here. An A, B, C flat correction. We are looking for an impulsive wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside, and then we continue to push towards 105K. This looks a lot more plausible to me. There's great liquidity right here, great liquidity under this trend line. Let's go eat. Let's go eat, and then let's bring it back up right past 100K, and then we can put in our correction on a bigger degree, right? So this is currently the count that I am playing, that I will be playing. I might take a cheeky little, you know, quick long right here on this trend line just to see if it holds, but I doubt it will hold. I doubt it will hold. And going in smaller time frame on this, there we go. You know, I'm looking, I'll give you the target on this right now, and we got to check out ETH too, guys. So stay watching this video. You got to look at ETH's overall count, because this is becoming more clear to me. So I'm looking in this box around 86, 87K, somewhere in there. And how this played out was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal right there into a correction, into a wave down. This wave down, you know, it could be that we've finished our correction to the downside and we're going to come back to the upside like I showed you here. That is that count. But I would love to see just a little correction on this trend line, flush through, put in a full 5 waves, correct, another 5 waves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, right? That's what I'm looking for. I don't want to see this retrace up too much. It should get jiggy, you know, sooner rather than later to the downside, breaking through this trend line. So that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'll be playing, and that's what this ETH trade is kind of based around as well. I'll show you my targets on this ETH trade. If you guys do want to trade this stuff, I trade on Blowfin. They are no KYC. It's what everyone uses to trade. You can trade in the United States and Canada on Blowfin. You only sign up with your email, and if you want to give them a try, the Chart Junkies community has the best campaign running right now, up to $10,000 in deposit bonuses. Right here you can see $450 for just a $1,000 deposit. That's the bonus. There is trading volume requirements, so pause the screen, read this, but this is the best bonus they have running right now. I assure you of that. If you want access to that promotion, pinned in the first comment down below is the link for Blowfin, right here, and you will automatically get entered into that promotion. Just click the link, sign up with your email, and you're ready to rock. Go ahead and give them a try. Now looking at Ethereum, here is the Ethereum trade over in the premium Discord. Boom, boom, boom. That was the trade we put in. TP1 was hit. I alerted everyone. Stop loss moved in profit. We're in a winning trade no matter what. Our life's good, right? Life's good. But here is what I am ultimately looking to take this down to. Let me get this out of here. Move. 33, like 33.18 is my ultimate target here. boy, oh boy, would I love to see a break of this low, 32.63, 32.70, somewhere in here. I would love that. I just don't know that it's going to happen here on this flush, and I'm not willing to just hold on to the trade. I'm going to be happy taking these profits and just getting out of the trade, looking for longs once we take these profits, right? But the ETH overall count, what I am playing here is a move up to the 1618 of a boom triangle, boom to the 1618 right here. That's what I'm playing overall. But smaller time frame, you can see I'm looking for a 1 2 3 4 5 to finish up, similar to this count on BTC. I just think BTC is going to put in more of a flat, while Ethereum does actually give us this count. But I would be looking to come down near this trend line around 3200. 3200, it looks good. I would love to see that target hit. And I'm looking for a flat correction here on ETH to coincide with BTC's flat correction here. You know, a little bit of a different look to them, but still impossibly to the downside is what we're working with here. And then once we come down to this trend line around, you know, 3200, pike back up to, you know, 3600 to 3700 area right here for our wave 5. You know, this should be an impulsive wave for Ethereum if this is the count, to the 1618. And then from there, you know, a number of things can happen. On BTC's chart, you know, I'm projecting some type of a correction. On ETH, that is very much valid. We could have some type of correction and then continuation to the upside, right? That's kind of what I am looking at, guys. If you want to join the premium Discord, get access to my alerts. All the trades that I'm putting in here, guys, I post all my trades. I service them for you guys. I just show you what I'm doing. I have 24/7 live charts. I live stream every day, Monday through Friday. About to hop on a live stream in a little bit for the boys and girls. My indicators are all included so we can trade on the same page here. So go to upgrade here within the free Discord. Use code ATH for $20 off your first month. Code expires December 1st. If you want to give premium a try, come on over, check it out, learn Elliott Wave with us, learn firsthand Elliott Wave, and see what I'm doing. And I'll answer all your questions right here in the premium Discord. Join the party, baby. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. We'll see what happens. We'll see if we get some continuation to the downside. I feel good about it. Trade safe, everyone. I love you.